A lot of you guys, after your playing years, we live in a small world, and then you either work together as coaches, you end up, in the same circle, and then you kind of become friends. Pero, minsan ba yung mga alitan nyo on the court, hindi nyo siya naiiwan totally? And so, even during exhibition games among legends, nandun pa rin yung, whether it's bitterness or resentment or ito, sinahod ako nito dati, hindi ko na makakalimutan yun.
Well, yung game namin nung Sunday, both teams ayaw magpatalo. I mean, like you said, kaibigan man. Kasi with Johnny, for so many years, rivals kami. And because of that, we became good friends. So, hanggang we became teammates sa national team, di ba? So, but nung game na yon, last Sunday, ayaw magpatalo. I mean, for that game, yung lineup namin, hindi na puro bata yun di ba? So most of the time, pag gano'n ng game, zone ka na lang May nakita ka nag-zone ng game na yun. Both teams, nagtao-tao. So, talagang ayaw magpatalo. And pati yung second game, almost nag-away na yung teams, di ba?
You don't even have to wait for the game to start for them to get serious. Actually, yung practices ng San Miguel, they have called sets. They were calling sets and may screen-to-screener sila. Basta may sets sila na ginawa. And kami naman, hindi kami nag-sets kasi alam na namin yung triangle. Kahit nakatulog kami, alam namin yung run yun. But
iba
sila,
yung San Miguel, Slam
may hinahanap sila. Hinahanap si Daniel sa post. Hinahanap nila si Alan on double screens. Yung mga tipong ganun. So seryoso na siya before the game started. So they knew na di tayo papatalo sa ganun sila. And even kami, ganun din kami. Pero, well, daming na-shoot na crucial si Alan Nakakainis
Sino ba nanalo doon?
SMB?
May bragging rights pa rin to. Yes? Like,
I would say so. Nainis ako na, well, it's an exhibition game, pero sabi ko, sana may next time pa para makabawi naman kami.
And you're being honest. This is like, you're not, hindi ka nagbibiro, this is not PR.
No.
You really wanted to win that game.
Ang sabi ko na lang, ang consolation ko na lang, bale, nung 90s, hindi naman nanalo sa atin yung mga yan.
Uy, nanalo kami
Nanalo kayo. Mas madami lang kami panalo.